How many times have you been watching a movie trailer and it starts off with something like, "Imagine a world"? It starts that way because the trailer is going to set up a universe for the movie. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the universe known as the Engineering Entrepreneurs Program at NCSU. It's also known as the EEP. In the universe of the EEP, students in the College of Engineering trade out their normal departmental capstone senior project for an EEP senior project. And in the EEP, students get to create new products and build startup companies around them. The coolest thing about the EEP is that students in the class start with a blank sheet of paper. This means that you can work on almost any physical product that you and your team can imagine. The team then learns how to create a startup company around their idea. This is the world of the EEP in a nutshell. It's a 2-semester sequence and it unfolds like this. Usually there are about 100 students in the class, and step 1 is to form into teams. Then your team ideates. You might come up with 200 possible product ideas as a team. Then you narrow that big list down to about 15 good ideas, and then 5 great ideas, and you confirm that a market really exists for these 5 ideas. Then the team picks its final idea from the 5 and starts to prototype it. Prototyping is a big part of the EEP, where your team gets to apply all of its engineering skills to create a great prototype of the product. Along the way, your team will be creating a business plan for your startup company and a financial model, and then, if your team wants to, it can go out and actually launch its startup. You own the company. You've created everything you need to create a startup, and you own it. Let me show you 3 examples of products that have been developed in the EEP. The first is called Undercover Colors. Their idea was to develop a system to detect date rape drugs in drinks. They raised over $10 million, developed a product, and released it. This second example is called Ava. They created a company to rapidly age whiskey. Instead of it taking 3 years in a barrel, they can age whiskey in a week or 2. The third example is this amazing electric sports car. They started with a Corvette chassis and then built an electric car drivetrain for it. The inspiration was a car called the Ariel Atom. The EEP helps students learn about and connect with the entrepreneurial mindset. If you'd like to build a startup company as your senior project, the EEP is for you. My name is Marshall Brain. You can contact me at mdbrain@ncsu.edu, and I'd love to talk with you. Thanks.